You know, folks, most men want to be rich, okay? Not because they want power or they want to be famous or anything like that. They want to be rich because they want to have options. And they don't want people to tell them you can't do something or have their lives disrupted by 1,000 small things. Let me tell you a story, okay? Here on the farm, for some reason, every 2 weeks, a tree falls on a Eskom cable and then there's no power for a week. Can you imagine the bitching and moaning that I experience when that happens? So now I'm going to get a generator for my generator. I'm going to get a backup battery for my inverter the size of a car, so that I don't even know if a fucking tree fell on a cable, because I can, because I don't want my life to be disrupted by trees. Broke people love telling you, listen, money can't solve everything. It can solve a lot of your problems, trust me. Can take a lot of headaches away. Sometimes when you throw money at a problem, it disappears. For most ambitious men, it's not about stacking up a pile of cash or having power. It's about having options, having choices, and not being told that you can't do this, you can't do that. Life can be tough, life can be cuck. It gets easier when you've got money, trust me.